Sir John Hall was born on 21st August 1934. He is an American physicist and a Nobel laureate in physics. He was born in Denver, Colorado. Sir Hall holds 3 degrees from Carnegie Institute of Technology, a BS in 1956, an MS in 1958, and a PhD in 1961. He completed his postdoctoral studies at the Department of Commerce National Bureau of Standards, where he remained from 1962 until his retirement in 2004. Awards won by Sir Lewis: Department of Commerce Gold Medal in 1969, Nobel Prize in Physics in 2005. Hall shared half of the Nobel Prize with Theodore Hans for their pioneering work on laser-based precision spectroscopy and the optical frequency technique. The other half of the prize was awarded to Roy J. Glauber. Sir Hall's present status: Hall is currently a NIST Senior Fellow Emeritus and remains a Fellow at JILA, formerly the Joint Institute for Laboratory Astrophysics, and a lecturer at the CU Boulder Physics Department. JILA is a research institute managed jointly by CU Boulder and NIST. His work: according to quantum physics, light and other electromagnetic radiation appear in the form of quantum packets with fixed energies, which also correspond to energy transitions in atoms. Consequently, determining the frequency of light waves provides information about atoms' properties benchmarks for time and length and the possibility of determining their physical constants. For this observation, he was being awarded with the Nobel Prize in 2005. Kailash Satyarthi was born on 11 January 1954. He is an Indian social reformer who campaigned against child labor in India and advocated the universal right of education. Awards won by Sir Kailash: Nobel Peace Prize in 2014, Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights Award in 1995. His work: much of the world's population, especially in poor countries, is made up of children and young people. To achieve a peaceful world, it is crucial that the rights of children and young people be respected. Following the tradition of Mahatma Gandhi, Indian activist Kailash Satyarthi has waged a peaceful struggle to stop children being exploited as labor instead of attending school. For this work, he had been awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. He has served on the board and committee of several international organizations, including the International Labour Funds USA and the COCOA Initiative. Thank you.